In this video, I will show you how you can set up and use call screening on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the phone app, then tap on the three dots over here. From this menu, just go to Settings, and under Settings, you will find the option for call screening at the top of the screen. Now just tap on it, and from here just enable this toggle to turn on call screening. After that, if you scroll down, you will find the option for auto screen calls. Now, if you want your Samsung phone to automatically screen all the calls, just enable this toggle, but I'll keep it disabled for now. After that, just tap on language, and from here just select the language pack which you want to download. For example, if the other person which is calling you speaks Chinese, you can download the Chinese language pack, and by doing that, your Samsung phone will understand the other person when he or she starts speaking. Just select your preferred language, and after that, just go back. Now if you want to change the voice of the call screening feature, just tap on voice, and you can select any of the voice options available over here.
This is what it sounds like when calls are being screened.
Now from here you can speed up or slow down the speech rate. And after you do that, then you will set up call screening on your Samsung phone. Now if you receive a phone call from an unknown number on your Samsung phone, now you will be able to screen this call using the call screening feature. For that, just tap on Call Assist, and from here, just tap on Call Screening. Now, after you select Call Screening, Galaxy AI will speak to the other person, and it will ask the other person who they are and why they are calling. Now, after that, then you will be able to pick up the call, or you can reject the call from here. Just like that. And this is how you can use call screening on your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the Ultra. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.